The world updates. I see you. What's up, my brother? Hey, coming. Updates. Try coming after this video. More talk. I'm sorry, I'll call you since I forget. I'm Kaka Botamo. Oh, I asked for National Festival. Share this video. Share this video, guys. I'm not share this video. Who are you for national peace to reign? Greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast this afternoon. Please don't hesitate to share this video. If you're watching me from YouTube channel, please like the video. Do you like me time where ebagua I move here? Meaning any animal will be killed. If the animal never buy, you know, carry and put for bag. You need to vet by the animal before you put it for bag. That means this woman and the family matter for this social media, when enter the social media. So I don't say get agent when they pay, when they play defense for them. They when I'm striker now they play. No matter how the defense hard reach, with the strike and with the score. Now so football be. To say defender really know their work, they really hard, really defend. You don't go see person with the win match. You don't understand? A striker is always a striker. As far as this social media is concerned, when you are striking with evidence and proof, it goes sweet. People who they listen, they know be animal, they be human being. They know where truth day, they know where lie day. Because most of the things when we talk about this woman now, not be waiting happen today. Not be waiting happen today. Now God used waiting happen last week. So this not this week now. This last weekend. Now God used her to expose this woman, how evil that she has been doing all this year, and his brothers then. Now small, we go to enter the matter small. You understand? Even they are trying to beg to take cover of the whole case, the whole scenario. Maybe the whole national open. Baba, I will open everything. That's me. I don't get money where they will pay me. They don't pay me $1, but for the purpose of our future people, children, girls, where they take this kind of people as a role model. Make they know who they take as a role model. Who be their godmothers. May the whole world know. So that if you get PK for abroad, know the kind of mothers or human traffickers where they take as a role model. You get my point now. Obi understand the man out of you. I don't be that kind of wicked person, If you say you're wicked, no problem. But with the chop on the way the team be. I then you high. But the year man Bini, I then you high. I tell you, including the mother and the brothers. But before then, they don't really give me for 48 hours. Make I apologize. You don't understand? I see my 48 hours now. I don't use 2 hours. I apologize.
On behalf of our disguagua family, we are giving you 48 hours to tender an apology. Yes, an apology to our disguagua family. Put peace.
Now 48 hours they give me
both parties that are happy.
I apologize. That's the hours now they use now. Don't use 2 yesterday. Don't use 5. I use 2 of the TikTok, YouTube. I use 3 for TikTok. You understand? You get my point now. So make a family I will use today. We are still on the apology level. I see their friends, they follow the saga me. They fight for their boyfriend. Wow. Girlfriend, they fight for the boyfriend. Those are not my problem. Iye boy, they fight for a boyfriend. DJF. That's not a problem. It's normal. I'm not quarrel with her. Definitely, she must defend her boyfriend. She must defend her boyfriend. Mama. He must defend her boyfriend. Sister. You don't understand. According to Ye boy, say the party with the sister-in-law do, but that mean go fit do one. I don't bath. Where I want to do this kind of party. I decrease. We don't want to do this kind of party. Am I mad? I smoke homo. They iron my brain. They iron my brain. You hear say they take drugs. You hear say they go hospital every morning, go to take back medicine. And they sick. We are going to do this kind of party. Am I stupid? Am I stupid? Am I so useless? Am I so useless to myself? We are going to throw this kind of party with this woman through. Am I mad? Therefore, they sold down my mouth with a rusty gun. We are going to do this kind of party. No, no. With we are doing now. If I do this kind of party, no, not go sagami. No, not going to say this point. This will not really decrease. It's not really mad. It's not really well. According to this kind of party, for this hard economy, for this terrible regime, I go do this kind of party. Am I stupid? I go throw this kind of party. My parents not go there. My parents go there. My mama not go there. My sister not go there. My brother not go there. Am I mad? I decrease. My wife not go there. Come on. Yeah, boy, I don't feel trying. Wow. I know I can never. My level never see how rich like that. I don't get that kind of level at all. Those level of level of adulterous, I don't get found. Yeah, they're not here. Oh, not samba. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Linda. Lydia. Nene go na do be na filo kwani. I make me go ni special gui. Where me I make me go ni. I go do give away. That's the problem I have. Because I know of people will be saying they never fit take one bottle of beer this morning. You understand? You want a day. But I take it. So if I get the kind of money where this woman take do this party, so I'll use and do giveaway. It go be my birthday giveaway. No get my points. You know now, last 2 years when I do my birthday, I go villages to villages for Benin. I put instead of my laptop, I go video that they share money and they share 10,000 each market. And they go market, they share market women, they share 10,000, give them. I share 2 million. You don't feel me so? That money where I will take go carry her for you. Come take go cook rice. Come take go do this one. Come invite people. Come carry DJ. I get big speaker here. Speaker box need big DJ speaker here. There. You understand? I got Bluetooth. I got everything with my phone. So I come carry the money go Benin. Share and give people for Benin. When they take, enjoy yourself. You let them say happy birthday to you. They go pray for me. Basta. I'm okay. That's the best birthday I've had. That's what my life is, bro. My own celebration, not to touch people life. It's not an illiterate. All this stack illiterate, all this mobility. Now they do party for abroad. Now they do heaven and hell party. There should be a reason. And that's when I not do party. There should be a reason to celebrate. There's a reason to celebrate. And that's why I thank God for the kind of wife we are get. Don't be all this kind of women. All this kind of show women, all this kind of women. We don't get sense. I mean, who think they want to show up? They want to show up. I'm not be firstly, be secondly, be medical, be stacky, be shining, be brushing. I love them. No, you understand? Easy life. I've never seen your Igbo makeup. We book us that they teach makeup class. I never see them. As I was carrying for TikTok, I never see your Igbo that they teach makeup class. So white, black. They teach makeup class. You get my point now. Man, don't make up your man. There are some men that love those kind of things. Those kind of make up. I boy as if you are going to clean face. Face ya young man. Cool and vibe. So here boy. Suddenly reply. You want to know what Jeff? Oh, you way at where you oh, go you wicked Jeff. Oh, man. But you know the funniest part? It's so shameful. Where iye-eki we digba say anywhere the Jeff na me well and you cannot be presentable because Jeff no work. If you doubt me, Jeff is a married man with wife and children. You don't say if they talk with proof. So that's make you know. If you never know, make you for know. And Jeff is a married man with wife and 3 children. But yeah, watch out. Yeah, but you see him. The wife of Jeff and Jeff are the guy that do sexual. Okay, Jeff. The Jeff. He young back be sexual. The Taliban. You get my point now. The wife of Jeff know all the women where Jeff did knock. Confirm. Most of the women where Jeff did knock. All of the senior Jeff. Who they give one? Who they run son for Jeff? A Rose, no, we are the Asaboro. All Rose friends, most of Rose friends, Jeff don't knock them. And our woe they collect. Good afternoon, blessed child. You are blessed according to your name. All right, for those of you watching me from Facebook, you can join the YouTube channel sharply. As in the hot, fast, open up very. You can see the link right there. Because I'm going to be leaving Facebook right now, straight down to YouTube. You get to my point now. So, guys, from Facebook, not bye for now. Don't play. Hey, are you boy, yo? What for national peace to reign. Now, please share this video as you're watching this broadcast. Let's go there. Because this matter will work. Now, small. I want to apologize. I am on my knee doing the apology that was asked to do by Mr. Jeff at Asaboro. DJ Jeff, he said I can apologize to his family, to his papa, and to his mama, and to his sisters. On behalf of the family, I will apologize. Because those I do party, I slap for party. I am going to be apologizing. But if I go apologize, I'm going to disgrace DJ first. Because all the call, whether they call me, and for me to keep quiet, not to expose the Jeff and the family members of all the atrocity they have done to the diaspora people. Ebagua for national peace to reign. He so unfortunately saying that the Jeff using mass to expose the family for this social media. Hello? Hello? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. No wahala. Thank you. So you dey watch me for that side. I say I don't hear. I hear. Okay. Thank you. Love you. Bye. Ciao. Okay. Let's go there. So from Facebook, I'm not jumping for YouTube. When I join YouTube, sharp. More they shop and go. You know the story. More they shop. When I share the video, as I share the video, more they like on. You understand? When I like on because why I will expose everything. Why I'm not going to man. Hey, God. People they call, they beg. Me, I don't hear. DJ Jeff, my man and my mama, as I first said before, since the voice that they talking. And my mother. In father, that must be my father. You understand? But you see DJ Jeff and his sisters and his siblings them and go expose them. You get my point now. That's one thing we say I don't go leave. I would respect everybody where they apologize. Okay, make I leave the mom, make I leave. Fine. I started DJ Jeff, you were bam. DJ Jeff what to talk. Including your wife. Your wife for this house. You get my point now. All your side chick then. Who leave DJ Jeff? Who leave DJ? DJ Jeff, DJ Jeff, God. You don't be apologize. You don't fear. You see me apologize. DJ, you get mad, do. Baba wallahi salam alaikum. You get mad. You know what? A video for 20, 40, 48 hours. They are apology video to you, to your family. Your family. Your family. At this family. On a senator or the one senator. Who the head? Useless senator. Senator no mind it be. Senator who have tumbled the country where we all came from. Eh, when I move where? Who were those sorry women? So now never decide the politics. When they say outside they kill Benin men after the talks. Therefore yesterday. Now you get mad say your family that they be politicians, they be senator. The senator all soon will senator wedding. A senator who went to the or your booking life, just they pray, make I not see a picture. Why near me picture senator any or senate lining for national peace today. You go with you. Did the deaf go with Facebook way ye? We're going with social media way ye. Social media. Iye boy ni je mu ade. Ya gi ye boy be de na, oni se de dokpe. Iye ri agi to ta be begamo. Ori agi gbe aga begamo iye no if you mess like old meats. Old meat. Iye boy ye go le pajiro. Le via kachina le brescia. Any party, a party la ye boy la who party. Good. A party ni ye boy who 55 years birthday party no na appear again with club. Yeah, but when we ho, buy it we ho. Na appear with the club. I mean, any place that you definitely want to hold. Any place that you want to hold. Yeah, boy. I just do my drink. I want you. Share the video. See this boss is sweet. You like it on the air. It is sweet, not really. All right.
Problem on media. If my attention was drawn to a video of my brother Frank Umenwan while trying to tag my mom a very horrible name. If I may remind you, my brother Frank, you said my mother invited my sister to abroad and it took her to somewhere for a kind of job. My brother Frank, let me tell you, I balegbe not be by pepper body until they talk which will come to pass. I balegbe teven. I balegbe mwemese. Let me tell you, my brother. On behalf of our disguagua family, we are giving you 48 hours to tender an apology. Yes, an apology. to our disguagua family. One, the mother you are referring to, she have children like me, not one, not two, not three, in abroad. It's a mother all of us will prostrate for her. We respect her because she has suffered for us. She met.
Are you seeing me? Can somebody see me here? Can you guys see me? Iye-eki, iye-eki, wariri, 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 iye, amomagigumeri, iye-eki, wariri, edokpayi, iye-eki, ona-we mokiyazepe. Iye, edokpayi o, iye-eki, ona-we mokiyazepe. Iye, iye-eki nile o, iye-eki nile, ibagi ose. Iye, oh, 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 iye. Iya ukma no mo ya yegbe. Iya ewa no mo ya riye. Useni yeselele mo obungbe. Osarela owo gere mo no suseyi. Iya ukma no mo ya yegbe. Iya ewa no mo ya riye. Useni yeselele mo obungbe. Samela owo gere mo no suseyi. Useni yese o runde mo. Mi oya niye runde mo. Ne mo re yo ya wa gbon yeri ko depo wa ya o. Ne mo re suse wa gbon yeri swera zozo kia. Ori zozo le ka o. Ori zozo ludo. Uri zozo nahia. Ari ye mierun. Emona we nere suse o. Rehu sere ne. Emona we nere yo ya. Rego ya rene. Denu wari miewo wana gboni gbo wana. Denu wari miewo wana gboni to wa o. Wari yere o no gbo wari ri wo wa o. No gbo wa yo o. Ena gbera yo o. Iyo ukmo no mo ya yegbe. Iyo ewa no mo ya riye. Useni yeselele mo obugbe. Samela owo gere mo no suseyi. Ikinya ya tu iye me o. Emi ogogo na kin o. Iye romo ogogo no so na wa gbo. Eme ye ki o ma se wo gari awa o ma do wa o. Amari awon wuwa o. Ni yuwa ma se de yo. Sanere ya hivya o. Nogi ye to ne moga o. Akpawe iyo yaga te ya sagbon he. Akpawe iyo yaga ya ondagbon he. Iye bienere na o. Ona mame baba. Obiene sagbon ne o. Ona mame tota. Egeri de sego na mame usine o. Iyo emi oka o. No saya we mwese. Adeguma ona o. Amo anu sayi. Okoko gadagbe o. Egbe eno yakae. ekitaga dabia awon eno ya pe awon niwe nanu pamiro perire wa ye ki o masawo ari awo ma don o iya upon na mo ya yen gbe iya ewa na mo ya ri ye useni ye selele mo abugbe samela owo geri manasu seyi. Share this video. Let's go there. You get my point now?
High esteem. Emma Mujeme, the highest respect so far. That's what we give to our mother. My mother is a blessing to our family. A mother that invited all our children to abroad. Not only that, she makes sure we all are holding red passports. Yeah, citizenship, European passport. And she also makes sure we all bought a house in the Western world.
Now, first of all, let me give this message straight to Yeboy. Yeboy, now because of you, I play this video again. And that song where I sing just now, Yeboy, now you I sing that song, go give. Thank you for the super chat water. Now you, now get that song, that modern song where I sing just now. Yeboy, one year one. That is how. Udo gani e Jeff no uwe. Emi je tana. Emi ni je une o tana o. Veni je viewers, veni je video, e mo je no bie wa. Via je webu. Eri ju we ye boy no rebega mo. Eri ya kunwe kelamidi ke ya. Kunwa je webu. O get the point me now. Now, ye boy, you we by now. E government to koki you we. Akaza di popularity abina di poloko abina polaka ni ati Italy. E you stay yi. You we ma do we bo. O ma gbegbe na gbegbe agese ma ti ya bo to wa o. Then go get gbese o ma yeti ya do wa o. You get the point now. Up to now, issue when you wait the 30 euro give you every month. Wait the know whom you way. Issue not be well at the economy where they will go. Wow, be your mom or be your man. Understand? I will say not say more so lobolobo gi marry. I will not when the man marry who said he must say money ma be money and soon was the neborowa. Iye boy, you know total media where who set the 30 euro need you where no yari ba okay agba. That means this you were in Nigeria when we were open you are telling me where who set the bowa you were in Nigeria here go marry boy well. So long no go. You get the point now. Who must set the bowa you were in Nigeria. Who must set the bowa we bo or do we bo department of we or one set of we bo mu you your error. So when we were for many years, they were bo who ya yawo una ya gbe France. When Basha was in France up to today, everything was 0/0. Not running 0/0. We might score one goal. My sister, we fail. Sorry, oh. But how because people are listening to you talking on social media. What to hear those zedo? What are the way you let the young keep your car again? Il est qui a nous TikTok nous Facebook. Nous ya ngwa le kelo ma ego, mo amu yo he unda we, ni go ne ro, ni ati no baro. No ati a go go so asi go o gba lo. Iya de. Baba de gbo. Ye boy. Hala wuki, ya gba ogi we, uka go be. We la we bone, ime eyera ibi we ka. Bet eri me ke ye gbe yi, o jo be ya so ta. Ti unira, omo no unira de. Iyo po gbe we yo. O get the point now. You we were ragbon nia o mari ewe. O so bo no give e bi wa, no give wa no ye wa. Ngwa no ye mo nwa bie. Ngwa ya bie mo dam na ye boy. No make da ka to se ki bisi. No hiye mo wa. No follow e ase ye. O mu uye bo wa go mu ye bo be. E ti ta o ni e do aho we. E ti we ga go le a head for benefit ni agbe ke yo he. Na me what man. E ti yo we. What's the problem? Where I tell you, who tell you from the beginning? If no one that going to who tell from the beginning? Where we have men? When I wear brats, a brat no repegamo. A brat no repegamo ni bichile no half done. A breast they have done. No, that beg more. Eh, well, all who again. Go back. Anyway, definitely up to a club. A breast now your whole. Only you. Not be here with them. My wife want to be one on one. The breast is here for what a pressure. It's just not a pressure. No upstairs for doing. Without a station. Everybody man are boga ki ye ekibabi ye e braturu with a beer. With a morati. No way. E brati dem odun. Don't agbeke yo eh. But you could not take 30 euro to feed your mother. Iye boy. You could not say 30 euro. Iye-eki back me 30 cards you have the right you. Deck best able to 50 card. No, I walk man, no. We might see when you will. Men don't know when we're there now. I will go to Africa to eat to Africa to the baby. Women will come there. And I go, Mama, what we say? Yeah, say you. Because I see us my mother age mates. You get the point even now. Ask the Roman no. I want to remember him. I mean, when is not be mela zaneko, not yet be mela webu. Where to the 30 don't keep no yari right. 30 car. No one say no about 50,000 in Nigeria. Do I go in media? Who's not seeing who's as you know, who are you be said one more. When I was a boy, I get also to talk because why? You understand the boy of me? Most of these men are sick. Only why I quiet. If you talk to Facebook, you have been me problem very well. Be understand me now? To you what? Asaboro here. Okay, DJ Jeff. My brother is there and I look high. When you apologize. Okay, sir, no problem. You apologize. Why I call you again when you call the apology free. No understand. So I'll get the raw. You're getting understand. I'll give up on the raw. You'll give buying. I'll give you. I'll give up. Yeah. You get my point now. Those one the one side. The man you and then. At the sagbon. Non, at the sagbon. I did. Boyan. Where's that? Nakak bawa bonnet. Kawabu wadu nebi.
She's an evil woman, a leader of human traffickers in the Netherlands. But she's an evil woman, a leader of human traffickers in the Netherlands. But Princess Adesagbo, be very, very careful. The person.
Now, I thank God Almighty for what he happened now to expose Princess Adesagbo. You understand? So, all now what the beg says, yes, I don't want to be CIA. Why expose the yak, man? Mandela, Ogion Banoro, no ya lobby with palace in a yasser. Ogion Bagati Murphy, no ya lobby with Gua, then I yasser, or ya what the grand work in palace. The same with the grand work, no, a decodenic, the deputy governor, Gua, okay, Babizwa. Beg the Babizwa, actually, the Babizwa to forgive. I don't mind drink. A deco, Ogari Gua. Beg Ayoba ho biri kidon. No forgive you. No forgive what you get. I did not feel no without. AKA the Ogion back conglomerate. Why don't we have? No, the media now. Let's look why I saw in a way immediately my chronology. I believe why I enjoy now. Like as before. The move now you area. Now you blackmail area media now. But by now, nobody blackmail anybody anymore. We all stand for truth and we all speak out the truth with proof and evidence so that 20 years to come, you still see this video, you still watch it. Man, delete a video, man. That's one thing about me. If you ask me to delete my video, you will go to pay for it. Deleting of one of my video is 2 million naira. Least amount to delete one of my video is 2 million. You get my point now. So, your video the better. What I do, I made 10 million, 20 million. I can delete it. You get my point? Because this is my video, this is my platform, it's an inheritance. After you it's very registered and anticipate as a joke. Get the point even now. Now, at this segment, the human trafficker, which I did not know. You say my demographic iye la jene. Iye DJ Jeff, a demographic man la jene. Social media. You understand? What are you? Okay, whatever. I just laugh. This is what I make me laugh. DJ Jeff don't use his hand. You use your two hands. Take draw your own problem. Come on for social media. Make the call upon disgrace himself, disgrace his wife, disgrace his family. It is a ebagua. I will not advise you. I want to beware with man. Because the matter one about what you are killing matter what you are killing for now. And where I'm going to get that interview deal with the doggy. We are killing matter for them. We are killing matter for them. Interview with the doggy. You don't use and kill this for the finish. They cannot be open on them. The Jeff don't be on them with him. When we're true, the interview with the doggy. Anybody know where they go with a video course or two. What you will do is to call and apologize on behalf of your sister. Sister, two more than both of them. Oh, Gana. Let it be him. I believe get the movie at defending him. I believe a lot of my men defending him. Even where it who are so piano memoir. When what if you don't give it up, look at what you walk up when I walk. Wow. I know. There ain't no gina. I know how. You understand? I know no get past you. So the young every we attack and get a car what the walk up on the war. You understand? What you are supposed to do, anyway, they saga your sister or saga your woman, you will just call, bros or sister, you know, Gila, you got to make no wrong. Wala waya boy, wala. And my have a good waya boy. The person you don't kill already. We're buried. You understand? We're buried the one in it. But you not choose to say one form of duga. Or maybe one of these courts, not even one of the courts where you belong to. What can you to do threats for social media? Bros. A court no Jenny, no gabu. Me and want see your power for this abroad where you this. Not be lie. That's why I tell people yesterday say, I don't want to say put you on line with me. Money day. I got your number here. I got your number here. You call me day for yesterday night. You understand? So you not choose to come the threatening person for abroad say, I like me a passport of Google, a passport of Google, every visa low. Who give a fuck with your visa or passport? You know what, sir? Who send your visa? Or who send your passport? So I believe where Akobe. No man when a passport of here. Okay, visa guy. Okay, visa Kobe man. Okay, also the money the BECKY. The Europe one now. Okay, now I know. Okay, with my passport, abi. Okay, wale le wado de delay abi. Baba go do nisha mi o. I dey wait for your letter. You understand? Because the case we now all time. Let me tell you, long.
Bring your case to my table. I will escort you enter prison as a human trafficker that you are. I cannot run after you now because of your younger brother or senior brother. I don't know. I think it's your younger brother, Jeff. I will not run after you, but be very, very careful. Say anything when you make person mistake in this country, say you are this and that, I will escort you enter that prison. So now, I want people to be careful. Be careful in everything you do in life, even when somebody is too close to you or too far to you. I want to talk about one stupid, useless woman who called herself Princess Asaboro.
Okay.
Very useless. She's based in this country, Netherlands. Very useless. See, my people, if money dey with you, be careful. No let them finish before you dey careful. And not be everybody when invite you, not be then. Some people invite you for you to be attacked. I don't know if you know this.
Exactly.
Not everybody when invite you for love. When they are looking for where to harm you, they not see. When they want to party, they will invite you, call you daddy, call you mommy, thinking that thing they plan against you can happen through that party. They don't know say I strong past them. This stupid woman, she calls herself Princess Adesagmo. You know, everybody can answer anything they like in abroad. She want to do marriage when we do with ECMO. You cannot say no girl husband now. You know, whoever girl husband, stupid people like that don't need husband. I don't know her from anywhere. He used phone disturb me. He say I'm the father of the day. Where are you doing the marriage? He say Nigeria. Nigeria, now you make me father of the day. That is, I have to buy ticket and come to Nigeria. This woman not they let me sleep. The way would they call me self? It will come be like say we'll get waiting with they do.
No, yeah. Now, it's a good marriage. Uyana. Oh yeah, look at me. I want know. This is the man where he married. This man, therefore, Germany. This man. Hey, Baba. No, you talk about this agbo. You know you talk about this agbo. And the man where there's going to marry with this one. The unwine, the useless man where you go marry, the Asian man where you go marry. Now be this one. Useless man marry a useless woman. This man no say this woman, the husband. He goes on to do national marriage in Nigeria. Many things they happen. Many things they happen. Many things they happen. Many things they happen. Oh yeah. Regardez là-bas. Oh, see another one. My people, I greet you now better start. When I see this picture where I break my soul, they want to share this video. This one are Desagbon brother for Nigeria. And Desagbon. Now the two of them did together. So this is Echo Stars International. This is Echo Stars International and his brother. Now brother. This is the man where Echo Star International use police to arrest because of 40,000 naira. Because of 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira. He used police to grab this man. He used Ogbalegbe to grab this man. They beat this man. Pay police pay, they beat the man well for prison. Because of 40,000. 40,000. Because of 40,000. 40,000. 40,000. You got to my point now. You got a 40K and blast this man. But you go Nigeria. You get Echo Star. You get me now. No, you don't agree. Eddie Moki. Eddie Mofi where Eki ave muna. Gima biomo. Omewebu. First of all, Eddie Mofi. Omonu osaze wonya saze. Unu gba ka kamonu yawo di test your money go don weno. Eddie Mofi me biomo no hu egbiyan. Me biomo no hu jiyan. Me bi mo ni yehu. When easy boy ka ewe ikweso webo yan ho yan yan so keke wi yan vidi so kera so vidi so ke so as we you understand when ya e mo ngbe bi aho yan egbe a princess when so say ke abo the princess we wa you understand I am a poor man no feel vu so nobody go be money o wa a 90 years old boy no matter explain go jiri wa o money no na God forbid. You don't have this kind of children. And you never know my party. You understand? So nobody was special choice. You get the point now. What are you not bullying for? My brother. Kakabogo ni lo da grand way we na ni answer the way. Ani we like ask you like what. Get my point. You go see shop to say I can't expose you. The monkey, we go to expose you. All your movement for being will expose. You understand? Now back to Adesagbo. No mind it, baby. When we make Adesagbo now, it's you a Holland. Yes, you why. Well, say I say you what you know. No marriable. Run your dear. Adesagbo na marriable legally. The Holland. Adesagbo na barely black. Adesagbo is in Nigeria. Oh yeah, I'm working with Nigeria. I'm a deal with. Oh, good, we are manable. Able to what netake, we prosnetake, we matinatake, we okunetake. I saw hospital. Adesagbo here beer. Adesagbo be blacky. Obje darky. Ordinary color of able, a signal of able, a spammable, every from here go your honey. A spammable mighty from your way. That is not to be able. Everything about the picking of white black. If we saw a raw, he had a bienable, a morning of black, a 12 year of the table. Okay, this is my hello. I talk baby.
I beg. Make I contribute. I beg. Put on for speaker for me.
You just speaker.
Talk with dog. It's okay. The Murphy wife. I see when you go call the enter una pikin. No say the secret will na hold. Whenever una never want make it come out, it will soon come out. You understand? You say it throw away from Victor throw away thing for Facebook. It not better pass your husband when they say he leave Europe go they cry for Naira for Nigeria. It not better pass your husband when they sleep with all his brother wife. He sleep with Dennis wife, Dudu Vakara. He sleep with twins brother wife. To Vagara. You say Frank married today. You say he go soon complete 60 years. Now a person right for that say the woman station good. You say not be station matter that they talk now. It's okay. There you go carry your belly come out. It's okay. Now me they talk. You one of Shekene show show your location. Carry your belly come out. May you go talk. It's okay that your first son when you break off from Nigeria. Who get her? After say, picking away from there for Nigeria, I need DNA test. We need DNA test for that your first son. You understand? And we need DNA test from your mama, because what this what is it don't disown you. Say no, not be born you. You understand? For where Frank wife stand, you go fit stand there. You wait say you be 24 years. See, where 60 years stand for? You know the bleach too. You know she not the rub step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 before you enter Facebook. You know, see, they not deport Frank mother-in-law from abroad from prostitute in Nigeria. You say. Frank wife born for how many husbands say the pikin they reject the pikin for now. You when you and your husband take care of pikin. All pikin useless for his house. The woman where marry reject pikin for you know see as the children fine. You know see as they responsible. Your children don't know how to speak German. They don't know how to speak English. They don't know how to speak Bini. You don't fit stand anywhere where Mama Kevi stand. You don't fit stand there. Your son place, that one where they take the compare. I bet one house. You they take her where community donate. Make them go pay off for person say, now so you not go carry or do in marriage. Which marriage you do? Which marriage don't do? Your husband don't come and take for yesterday. The person who made the love for you there when you go the talk for for a TikTok on a song. Your husband don't disgrace and take for yesterday. I never call her and make her let you know. When I go watch video where the muffin do take for yesterday. He says na baby mama. Tori Shadu Sadiaye. He said marriage. When they do that day, he said German government do not know their husband and wife.
Okay.
The video there, I don't record and keep. He say I won't come be any my son wife and not be wife, he baby mama. Now baby mama, now your husband call marriage when they say they compare another person marriage. He said now only the one what they do for Nigeria. Now we the adults know. Say na your wife. He said German government don't know say na your wife. He said they make you
okay. I'm on fire down. They hear you.
Because the government not be wife, now so he talk. And the muffin I talk am, teach your way do that for us today. He said not be wife. He said government don't know. You not put paper down. They don't know say they be husband and wife. So he said a baby mama. So all the secrets we go through here now. The one where they say thank you that they happy. You know say come test time, come disgrace her. Una they test time, they disgrace her for us. They let us know what you want to do for his house for the marriage. We never hear that finish. We go through here. We go through here. Oh, it's okay. You know the shame? Now your husband talker. They not be husband and wife, so don't use that marriage to compare another person marriage. Because they not tell una say they go carry her, come do marriage. Now Nigeria they do their marriage, yes. Una know whether it don't happen for Italy because they not bring picture out, they not bring video, they not bring anything. Wherever you go, who don't pass una. You say children when they live. Go say your children now. When one they sleep with the other one. All your children useless for his house. When husband and wife will you say una take care of. Your husband come up for abroad. You know if you do 5 hours work, you go they fight for Europe or Nigeria. They cry, they shout, they follow streets like dog. You know the shame. I just make a call answer you here because I never had the record or I call and analyze with my video.
Thank you very
then
much.
You know the toys of cannot person where he come dance. He talk say now he pull the trouser up up. Women not the class when your husband now. Who he give belay for Nigeria? With the year rumors so nothing say na alone nothing with the year rumors. Now palace now they go to beg God if they come and go up and beg for palace. That will be.
But okay.
I tell you something. I tell her the song where they laugh when the president say do marriage. Now they tell her say the papa don't talk and say government you know German government don't know whether they be husband and wife.
But off will be. Thank you very much. You see. I don't worry. When I share this video, it's already a setback. Only I tell one, you don't need the iye-eki not be. It's okay, no raw. I will look be. Larry. Oh, yeah, anything. It's okay, no with the other. Larry, because we'll give you Bobizwa here when Larry. Why don't give why cooks is there? Because of the issue that people have together. I know all these things. But I just keep calm. Let's wait patiently till the day when the thing will set. The first record where you don't play can't give your husband. One and who for a nogi. What that they make a do the use of your day on the own abandon us is there. I know. The voice you can listen to when you want to marriage. Your marriage you know you go dear by the nogi. But you go to mark baby. The collateral the nogi sign. Okay. Yeah. It's my about I played about the only concern in there. You feel me? So I don't big pass those one. For now, when you see, you will become relevant. People will respect you, they will honor you. But why they will be done. They would worry when I was war. If I only when I get the movie, go work the movie. Everybody don't know now. All these women now, you know, one. Oh no, so on a back, I bondage of war. Where you go from hand. The fighting the phone now to Kidabo do Gina. You know, if you happen to or it's limit to head or the organization head you know, go for because they don't know our secrets. They know the evil you guys are behind the scene. You know, expose. I'm just here to be exposing your husband's secrets. How far? And the movie is no longer relevant again to the adult people. Woman and pro. You understand? Woman and pro. To take a full air. The woman, what when he has a belubi, and that is glittering. Oh, power! And that is shining. Oswald. Oswald, you get my point now. So, my brother, forget that story. I'm better about it. It's okay. I'm better about it. Part 1 or 2. Let me search for one video. There's one video I would love to play. God. Make a chill. Make a chill. Make a play. Make a chill. Get what? So God may I live on. Now, let's go back to Adesagbo, Princess Adesekia, Nore, the whole land. Let's listen to Adesagbo on this video.
Asaboro, we are here. The 12, we the happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Koyo, I wish you good.
Do you know the difference? I don't even know when the are to start with. Now I know maybe probably because of their money. You understand? Because their voice alone is so irritating. You might not see a voice all these women, they are not sexy. Their voice are so irritating. A voice maybe or my voice you understand? You will just be eager to have sex with this one because the voice alone is sweet. You don't say when the voice is not already. What is a voice not a voice in ya? Oh, I have to carry on here. The voice is so ugly, so it's so only the voice again. What the voice?
Time, good life, and more favor, more blessings in your life. Anyone more about what you buy what tamagbo yalao? I should be where get show. When I saw what that should be your ELUA, please.
What I yell?
So that it was tamagbo, yeah, it will be like a weakness where it when so it will type a Facebook. Everyone sending you back home. You understand when I saw near where the boje wa TV news in Agmola de my own name. Avec that case Sonia upon a web bonia ye they would like to do their own way.
Imagine.
Or see what I mean, you're able to deal with the rest or no break the rules. Mepitin
Wow.
and when I've set rules, I set it. If you follow, you understand? So now when you want your nakawe or say when you la ogmeka miya, okma shebinia them show they are sending them back. Or your sister la was security abuela we or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home.
You can imagine the insults. Jesus. You can imagine the insults. Oji no bien or breaking the rule will be sent back home. Let me block this person out of this platform. Get out. Shapali. You understand? Easy no bien are breaking the rules. She will be sent back home. Jeff, I want you to come and listen to this, please. DJ Jeff.
Show, they are sending them back. Oh, your sister la was security abuela where or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. Back. Oh, your sister la was security abuela where or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. Or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home.
You say?
Or send them back. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. So Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home.
Huh?
Hijime no be me or breaking the rules will be sent back home. So I don't care if they don't want any camera carry.
DJ Jeff, Larry, what way easy no being or breaking the rules, you will be sent back home. Easy no muye la webo or breaking the rules, you will be sent back home. Easy no nyek be ya bien or muye la webo, you will be sent back home. You could not stand for your mother to fight your sister for disgracing your mother on social media. When you said DJ Jeff, Uma seti ya home le lotwe hon or twen no de osangijwe or twen no robi you media now with this insult your sister is giving to your mother. Uma seti ya gule lotwe hon we the fact to apologize agbo. Apology ni all ya agbo DJ Jeff. Apology ni agbo we ogbo to agbo wa here. DJ Jeff no ho a boyfriend here boy boyfriend HIV boyfriend. Oh, now. You could not assure your sister. Oh, you could not assure your sister. Ah, where you are, Jeff. Hey, DJ, never make. Hey, DJ, never make. DJ, never miss. DJ Owa. DJ Nozua. DJ Shantro. DJ when they sleep around with guests. DJ when they sleep with celebrants. DJ when they fuck celebrants. DJ when they back celebrants. Eh, DJ Nozua. Wagay very cool. Wagay very cool. DJ Ewe. DJ no Wado. DJ no sleep with the manageman. DJ when they back manageman. Yeah, DJ. Yama DJ. DJ no Reberia. Oh, quick wedding. DJ no wedding. Oh, boss, I'm going DJ no Zua. DJ no Reberia. Oh, we can be zoo, whatever see back. Oh, you need zoo, whatever see back. Oh, you need zoo, whatever see back. Oh, my body. Oh, no wonder. When I zoo, whatever see back. Oh, when I zoo, whatever. Oh, no wonder. DJ no Zua. DJ ne Gwaku. DJ ne Misa. DJ ne Tontebu. You are a carton. You are a carton.
Let your ashebi be shown. Maybe ke waist down will be even more better. Or full ashebi on your body. Me amo that ashebi me luwe. Yeah, doeba. So even say ya over sabi ya mo very. I don't need them for my party. Mo nya party mo gwalebe no GA. You understand? So I say, if I have a party, I want to follow the protocol or rules. So when someone is coming to my party, I must follow up. It will be a disaster. Ne do je mata mi ala wo gunme kan mi yan wo dodo. Lao ko wesi. Sabo Adebawe, thanks so much and God bless you. Now, Ashebi has to be more shown when we have a boy here. So. A rules is rules, and I'll be saying it. Also, and I will compulsory Ashebi ahenya lawa. Very. Ashebi ma show we be that is o ma da Ashebi o ya duemu. Okay. Lawa, and ma show, understand? Energy. Notice where I prepare way for now. Take care, bye bye.
Hello, come on me.
Wait for me.
Come on me, Laura. Come on me. To why we say what done. Come on me. Omi wa shebi no ro won me da shebi but ma ogo me ma show yo me design mo cause ma kata o ime iwe so far ade ide wa we no ye be ke wo wa na vi je me video ere wo wa ya video yo wa ro wa we na guana me we me aya yo ni be sister o be when right from beginning ge ma be ye destiny anatika de na wetin ya yo go me design mo before mana ikedu do popa. So ime na woke ya Nigeria ya se gan we ya joari party iwa woke normal simple style because for go me attention sika ya se ya design mo o ma show ni kawata ne o ma show ya design ma ye so mama de show your destiny even godmother maybe he send this time again o ma de show at all iwa ya fia na wa we nya wa violile ukmome nijo because of FaceTime anywhere we need the party na wo come ni wa ya satesho sika then not by joy we gbe ya sukmo we aju wa January 9 year say normal a gan we you know simple gan we ma gbe so ikata so gume o ma show we gbe me ma ya say a full gan ototo so oduhu na gboya but iye-eki me o wa show iye-eki awa mu iye-eki but to that when we our bido that kakabo so ime me bido that ma show iye-eki na wa show keke we na we pocket ye trouser ni jo combination ise so very expensive clothes here no go kere ya sukmo me your destiny I sold my clothes with 500,000 naira so ya say 500,000 ya sukmo me so no wese mommy wese oge mani ke ma oge me the pieces no carry oro wa kere lowo o wa iro wa ripalo na wa we ni ya video mu kwena no wese mommy ogume odo we take ticket mo hotel ya fefe ne bo ye go meje na me na ikere ya panyo ware so ni get the temi no ogume I sort that no me na again wese mommy.
Hello, Chocha. We are good dashebi. What ya when ya go? And when salary be me, we business by. We are good dashebi. It tie 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a shebi, no entry. We are dojo povere. We are expect we are lawa. Ola wa. Bata ya cancel ticket we here time na. We are we. There you are. Yeah, with somebody. Woman ya shebi me. I no one care will be the person when you are no. I'm sending you home. So why or 1 year, ya 7 why I say let's get one sell your blast your whatever why I say to show. Oh that shebu ya move for you what are you saying? In a way, well, my own just should be married. In a way, my own just should be married like kume. More yet cool, more pay or more pay. They sit at home. You understand? So no nani metama when I'm we prove go when nania because Wokian level is not allowed. I want me to pay ya should be when my beggar my ya should be my head. You know the same. You go use all that clock come and should be where I design. I don't need that like that or area to prevent. In a way, my own ya should be like kume. More yet cool, more pay or more pay. They sit at home.
No, you know.
You understand? So no nani metama when I'm we prove go when nania because Wokian level is not allowed. I want me to pay ya should be when my beggar my ya should be my head. You know the same. You go use all that clock come and sell your blast your whatever when I say to show. Oh that should be a move for you what are you saying? In a way, well, my own just should be married. In a way, my own ya should be like kume. More yet cool, more pay or more pay. They sit at home. You understand? So no nani metama when I'm we prove go when nania because Wokian level is not allowed. I want me to pay ya should be when my beggar my ya should be my head. You know the same.
Wait, me a pause. I'm gonna click on the like button. Yes, now I'm waiting to saw. Guess 600 and something people they watch. Only 77 people don't like. When I click on the like button, no, not gift me. Now not still click on like button. By clicking you like the button. Make the like to be 200. And they watch on here. See ya. And they watch on here. See the like there. Put on hand once. Put on one hand. Only once. Put on once, leave on. Just once. 80 like. But you want to press on. Just enter the comment section. Click the like. Or come up for the comment section. Go to the like. See we are in another comments. Just click like here. Ma'am. Click on like this. Once. Just once like this. Open your head. Ma'am. I'll show you white. Oh, wait now. I'll show you white. We'll click at it. Well, people give her. All I need. Well, people back up here. Press on like this. I'll show you white. Just now. Now click on the like button. Let's go there. Get a lot of play. When they listen, we'll get a lot of play. When I click on the like button sharply, then we'll continue this our videos. Yes, sir. We know the rush. We are apologizing. We are still on the apology. Now, partly with this, we are still on the apology. They give us 24 hours to apologize. We don't use 6 hours now. It's like 48 hours to apologize. So please, let's use the hours. I'll get my point now. So please click on the like button before we continue. Now, 140 people don't click now. Continue clicking. Just the click. Maybe 200. 200. Okay. We continue. Not they have. Just put one like this. Just put one like this. Leave on once. Only once. You come on to the watch. Another person can put on the watch. Just like that. You can't be watching videos. You go to laugh and you don't click on the like button. You laugh. We have game when in the morning you phone. Eh? You put your piece where you used to. You know people we go like the boy and we like a more where piano muscle. Oh come here. What piano muscle? When there's so many na here na make can we live video with Facebook with YouTube. You need to talk here igbe. At least I did this YouTube show. You're not supposed to click on the like button. I see they make sure say I see they bring out the major latest update. They bring out the come YouTube because they give them. The rest of them on YouTube, like TikTok they did. TikTok here, what piano I'm going to be. After here, I say all of them they give me gift, 10 euro, 5 euro, 10 euro, 5 euro. And they give me. They bring now update, and then they give me. Umenwan guma be oget wa go. Umenwan guma be oget. Umenwan guma be. Ire TikTok, ire YouTube na. Dollar sare wa ni na press you. Wa PS e go Umenwan. La riviera bo la wa go wa wo ko hi. Ko wa yo je ekera mo la dia. Wala sa. I want to know that here. Oh, now I read life video na. E mota gera owa your screen. E age sakan. E age guma na sakan. A woman na kolo agbe, a woman na ri agbe. She's a shameless woman. Adesagbo, Princess Adesagbo is a shameless woman. Me ya pay for now. Don't go press play. Go press play. I know they see who they call me. Hello? Hello? Do you like video? What? Off with me. They were real life. I'll be worried life for real life. Rest speaker. Okay. What? Rest speaker. The more speaker there. Okay. Bueno, ebagua. What? I must greet you. Confirm. Acabou? What? I know.
Nyawa viole le moment Niger because of FaceTime anywhere you need the partage na wo koma ni wa ya satesho sika then not by joy you be ya sukmo we aju wa January na ya say no ma e gan we you know simple gan you ma gbe wo gbe so ikata so go me o ma show we gbe me ma ya say a full gan wo toto so oduku na gboya but iye-eki me wa show iye-eki awa mu iye-eki but to that when we our bido that kakabo so me bido that ma show iye-eki na wa show keke we na we pocket ye trouser ni jo combination ise so very expensive clothes here no go kere ya sukmo me ye destiny I sold my clothes with 500,000 naira. So ya say 500,000 ya sukmo me so no we see mommy we see oge mani ke ma oge me the pieces no carry oro wa kere lowo o wa iro wa ripalo na wa when ya video e mu ko na no we see mommy ogo me odo we take ticket mo hotel ya fefe ne bo ye go me ye na me na ikere ya panyo ware so ni get the thing no ogo me he saw that no me now again what's
Hello, Chocha. We are good as be. What ya when ya go? Even now, salary the me we business by. We are good as be. It tie 24/7 on my shutter and all. Without a be no entry. We are doing povere. We are expect we are like
like. Let's continue.
But ya cancel ticket. Well, here time na. Yeah, where? There you are. Where? Yeah, where somebody. Woman ya shebi me. I no one care will be the person who no. I'm sending you home. So why or 1 year, ya 7 or ya say this guy.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna click on the like button. I'm gonna click on the like. Sharply, not be saying I'm not supposed to dash money again. I'm gonna click on the like button. Just to press like for your phone. So we're not session. I go boy like. When you get television, your phone where you pay like. Mighty television where you pay like. Mighty smart TV where you pay like. A smartphone where you pay like. Then you just relax. Cross over what gonna watch. So you follow up once. Or the man you know when you follow up for national peace story. Oh yeah, I'm gonna click on the like. I'm gonna press like. I'm gonna press like. I could do a disgrace. It's Jeff watching there. It presses at this angle. I found a truth. I think Jeff done. I like Jeff. Okay, no.
That was so you blast your whatever no I say to show. Oh, that's a boy. I move for you. What are you saying? In a way, well, my own just should be married. In a way, my own just should be married like women. More yet, cool, more pay or more pay. They sit at home.
Okay.
You understand?
You know.
So no nani me trama when I will prove who go and nania because walking level is not allowed. I'm married to a pay ya should be when my beggar my ya should be my head. You know the same.
Listen for me.
You go use all that clock come and should be where I design. I don't need that like that to area to prevent to send you back. What do I wear? I didn't get you carry area because I don't want anybody where cause well I will not see men no no yeah. I should be near safe from head to toe. What is wrong with you? Why? Then we're telling me now. Are you we are we party do our own starter? You use as a bin in design egg baby. What are you saying? There lao chocha. Provoke me there. Provoke me there lao. Every. Yeah, kage na sunu ene we no book ya me ala social media ni dey better to black proof. Ewa asie me so ni yo. Ni ya gi tai. En we tana me adegbe ya we social media si.
What I hear matter. What I hear matter. See, I don't know give this woman the audacity. I don't know who make this woman feel say she did relevant for society. I don't know the person will give this man mind. This person will give my mind say they make her say they look like Jesus Christ. You know the reason why? She's talking to stark illiterate like her. Women who don't have integrity, Yeah, in the river. It will know integrity, it will mind their words. I don't imagine an educated woman could listen to these jargons from these stark illiterates, these droppers. You don't understand? I don't know how they feel hearing this kind of talk from this woman. You see, truth is this, if you there's a reason people get reason to do party. So okay, God, this one the reason we say I want to do my show, I want to do my party. I don't complete 50 years, I don't complete 100 years, I want to do my 18 years speaking birthday. You understand? You have reason when you go do party. People hear your reason. They go say, they'll go this party. You don't understand? They want, because there's a reason. No mistake, person will just sit down. Now, birthday. Waiting for do all this giddy. How many years birthday? That's the question. What's the motive of she doing this? Will she continue this kind of party every year? If you celebrate this kind of birthday, you're supposed to continue to celebrate every year. You understand? What's be the reason she do party now? What are they party for? I want to do party. If you check almost of all these people who do party for abroad, it's for their benefits. They want to do party, but they forget money. The lack of wisdom. They want to do party, but they for gather money, but they for deceive people, gather money. The clothes where they go buy for 10 euro, instead of them to sell it for 15 euro or sell it for 20 euro. Maybe transport and everything go end for 15 euro. Then you put your 5 euro gain, make it 20 euro. They'll go put that cloth for 50 euro. The cloth where they buy both everything end for 50 card, they'll go put them for 120 euro. You understand? They will want to get extraordinary money from birthday. When they want to mark their birthday. They want couple say, join me to celebrate, join me to enjoy. Not come give me money. If you get gifts, give me gifts. But the birthday of these illiterate people for abroad, now just to come spray, look for people that has money. Shaggers brother. My birthday will be the top of the town. It will be the one. They will go they borrow money. How can you imagine a 50 years old woman, they go do road work, they use teeth, they bust condom for road work for them, all because she wants to celebrate birthday. All because she wants to celebrate birthday. She's not working. This woman has no job in Holland. She's a special child in Holland. As you see, so they pay her money steady. She not the work. Because of her health issue. She has health issue. She can't sit for so long and she can't stand for so long. You know what I'm saying? Now disabled picking that she be for Holland at disagbo. At disagbo, a disabled picking. But she feel raised leg till knock for 2 hours. You understand? This woman at the Oyibo house, not they pay her stress for abroad. Oyibo they do anything for her. The Oyibo will never get money. Now poor Oyibo man. Ayebo money agweze. Ayebo mo bori agweze. Ebo yira ibesa. Ebo no do man. Ebo no do black soup. Adesagbo. You know we boy any here. Adesagbo fit travel all over everywhere. No we to Ebo say go come out. Or see more as I enable. The money ma be. The father of the baby, this will be on. Or no make money na nya mo Adesagbo ma ho. Can the family board way go on no make no tin at all. DJ Jeff, can you board with this is the father of your sister's 2 children? Do you know what is integrity? Did you have integrity? Did your family members have integrity? Did Jeff, I ask you? The family, the person, the senator, where you they talk, when they tell you how much you loot for governments, is those people you call integrity criminals? Did you get criminal families that steal from the government, that use the masses' money to enrich themselves? You say Adesagbo, hello. You get sex at all. It is a death. Where then why? The family no work kind. Family let apara do bioji. Should you come and raise your newspaper, your brother newspaper? No tia newspaper. No post history family where bien. We are disguagua big name. Which big family be that one? Which big name? That big criminal you go talk of. I go hear. Go check the senator where they talk. Go check history. What did he do when they position? Go check him. You mean what they brag for? You don't know how they read. You don't know how they verify things. Oh God. I know what we do about Osaga. Where even I'm already the bottom. But my they okay with the bottom. I try my TB. Let me have information. Let me get it fast in that so. You get the point even now. We palawa. Ikebe. Alpha. Lawa. Banasa. Lawa. Apology to the question. You get my point now. Maybe before tomorrow or next tomorrow, as the spirit leads, then I'll come and tell you the history of the family. That is it. Yeah, tell me myself. But the last thing I've promised what I will not do is the parents aspects. Okay, is very running. The only